Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. My name is 𝑩𝒂𝒕𝒄𝒉 from English Language Center, Bangladesh. My batch number is 𝑦𝒂𝒕𝒄𝒉 𝑺𝒄𝒉. So today I'm going to take a test. So let's get started. I have a reed net. The net is wet. He made the pet. Once upon a time, there were 7 eggs. 6 ducklings were beautiful. 1 duckling was not. Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. My name is Shojoda. My batch number is 𝑦𝒂𝒕𝒄𝒉 𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒂
The ugly-juggly made a rabbit. "You're ugly," said the rabbit. "Go away." The ugly-juggly made a boy. "You're ugly," said the boy. "Go away." My name is MD Musalin Islam. I am 7 years old. I read in class 2 at MCPSC. My favorite food is rice and fish fry. My favorite color is blue.
Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. My name is 𝑩𝒂𝒕𝒄𝒉 𝑺𝒄𝒉. Today I'm having an exam. So let's begin. The ugly duckling met a girl. "You are ugly," said the girl. "Go away." The ugly duckling was all alone. He was very sad. "Ha ha he, k-k-king, gr-gr-green, suck-suck-sling, suck-suck-swing." This is insults. But-but-bean, suck-suck-sing, spot-spot-peen, cuss-cuss-keen, pat-pat-peen, tut-tut-teen. Now I read out the sentences. She is on the bean. The bean has a fin. Now I read out the storybook. "I'm hungry," said the first polyglot. "I'm going over the beach to eat the grass. Trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap." "Oh no," said the first billy goat giraffe. "Don't eat me. Eat the second billy goat giraffe. He's big and fat." "I am hungry," said the second billy goat giraffe. "I am going over the bridge to eat the grass. Trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap."
Bak bak bek, kak kak ke, fak fak fe, ha ha he, mak mak me, pak pak pet.
Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about banana. Banana is a kind of fruit. It is sweet. When its color yellow, it is ripe, and when it's green, it is raw.
Up jumped the troll. "I'm going to eat you upstairs." The troll. "Oh no," said the second billy goat giraffe. "Don't eat me."
Mango is a king of fruit. Mango tastes sweet, sour, and tangy. It has only one seed. My best friend's name is Siak. He's 7 years old. He likes to play. He has a sister. He is very good. He is a student. He studies in class 1. One time there were 7 eggs. 6 ducklings were beautiful. 1 duckling, the ugly ducklings, made a cow. You are ugly, said the cow. Go away. The ugly ducklings made a cat. You are ugly, said the cat. Go away. I'm from famous English language center Bangladesh. My batch number is YLA161, so today I will take a reading test. So let's start it. Family are the people who love and take care of us. I have a wonderful family that makes me happy every day. There are 4 members in my family. There are my father, mother, and my sister. First, I would like to tell you about my father. My father's name is 𝑩𝒂𝒕𝒄𝒉 myself. My name is 𝑪𝒍�𝒔𝒔. I am 8 years old. I read in class 2. My school's name is 𝒂𝒂𝒕𝒄𝒉 Public School and College. I live in 𝒂𝒂𝒕𝒄𝒉. There are 7 members in my family. I am hungry, said the first billigon giraffe. I'm going to over the beach to eat the grass. Trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap.
Now I read out guava. Guava is a tasty fruit. Guava is a sweet. Guava outside green and inside are red. We can make juice, smoothie, ice cream, cake, etc. Guava
Topic country. Let's start. The name of my country is Bangladesh. Independence country. We got our independence 16 December 1971. Bangladesh is a Royal Bengal tiger. And now I'm going to talk about banana. Banana is a popular fruit. It tastes sweet. Its outside color is green and yellow. If we find it green, means it's raw, or yellow means it's ripe. Banana, we can get many kinds of food from banana, like smoothie, ice cream, juice, etc.
The name of my country is Bangladesh. It is an independent country. We got our independence on 16 December 1971. Bangladesh is called the land of river.
Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fardin Alfida Ryan. My batch number is 161. Today I am going to take a test. First I am going to take a reading test. This is its sound. 𝒂𝒔𝒔, 𝒍𝒔𝒔, 𝒔𝒔𝒔, 𝒔𝒔𝒔. There were 7 eggs. 6 ducklings were beautiful. 1 duckling was not.
My family. Family are the people who love and take care of us. I have a wonderful family that makes me.
this is N sound. N sound. A hen, mama, mamen, papa pen, toto ten, wowen. This is story time. The ugly duckling make a rabbit. You are ugly, said the rabbit. Go away. And sound. In sound. This is N sound. Hen, mama, mem, papa pem, ch, win. My mother. My mother's name is Rita. She is a banker. She takes care of us. She cooks delicious food for us. She tries to make me happy. She helps me to do my study. I love her very much. It gets very dim. She is friends with him. I can see the ring. One day the ugly ducklings saw some beautiful swans.
Look at the water, said the swans. You are beautiful, said the swans.
He is 8 years old. He did in class 2. Story time. I am hungry, said the first Billy Goat Giraffe. I am going over the bridge to eat the grass. Trick track, trick track, trick track. I have a small and happy family. There are 4 members in my family. There are my mother, father, sister, and myself. And I am a member from famous English language center Bangladesh. I love my country very much. Thank you for listening to me. Bye-bye.
We can get banana in all season. It has many seeds. Its outside color is yellow and inside is off-white.
The name of my school is 𝑩𝒂𝒕𝒄𝒉 Public School and College. My school was built 2014. There are many teachers in my school. We have classroom, hall, playground. My name is Muntaha. My father's name is Mumin. My mother's name is Nila. My school name is ELCBD. I have a pet birds. I live in Dhaka.
Now I am going to tell about watermelon. So let's begin. Watermelon is a juicy fruit. It outside green and inside red. It tastes like sweet. It has 92% water and 8% sugar.
I have 4 members in my family. My mother's name is Tahmina Rahman. My father's name is Muhammad Mahidur Rahman. We have 4 members in our family. My brother's name is Rushad.
The ugly duckling met a rabbit. You are ugly, said the rabbit. Go away.
A and M make sound and sound. Jump, jump, jump. Run, run, run.
There is an army officer. In the free time, she loves to reading books.
Look at the water, said the swans.
You are beautiful, said the swans. Once upon a time, there were 3 bears. Its content. It's a summer fruit.
A and M makes M sound.
Jab, jab, jam. Rat, rat, ram. Ha, ha, ham. Sa, sa, sam. Dad, dad, dan. Kak, kak, cat.
The cat slept on the sofa all afternoon.
There is I think, cat is noun. We visit the zoo and saw many animals.
Book is published by the publisher. Before publishing any book, the publisher has to recheck it very times. So there is no bad things written in books.
In internet, we have so much freedom to write. We can write anything we want in internet.
Like if I'm allergic to any cotton, I have to verify it if it is the allergic cotton that I'm allergic to. So I have to touch it and see if it is good for me or bad.
When we play outside, we can meet with our friends and we can run, we can hide from one place to another. And it is very fun.
Watermelon is a juicy fruit that everyone knows. Watermelon consists water and seeds. Watermelon has 2 different colors. One is outside color of watermelon. Now I am going to tell a paragraph about my family. There are 4 members in my family. My sister, me, and my mother and my father. You are ugly, said the rabbit. Go away. The ugly duckling met a boy. You are ugly, said the boy. Go away. Now I'm going to present
I'm going to reading some sentences. Sam has jam. The ram is big. I eat. The story time. The ugly duckling made a girl. You are ugly, said the girl. Go away. And made the sound and. Man, can, pop, pan, fan, ran, tan. Now I'm going to read out some sentences. The man can run. I see a fan. Now it's story time. One day, the ugly duckling saw some beautiful swans. Look at the water, said the swans. You are beautiful, said the swans. I had a nap. Now it's story time. Once upon a time, there were 3 bears, and the 3 bears loved to eat porridge. One day, the 3 bears went for a walk. Now I'm going to talk about my brother. Watermelon. Watermelon is a juicy fruit. It is a big fruit with seeds. The color of a watermelon is outside green and inside red. We can make juice, smoothies. Jam. Ram. Ham. Sam. Dam. Can. Now I take some sentences. Sam has jam. The ram is big. I am Tahmid Maula Arab. I read in class 4. My favorite color is black. My favorite fruit is. My hobby is playing football. My hobby is playing football. My future plan is to be a
about our grammar topic, which is article. So I'm going to start from here. English is an international language. It's spoken all over the world today. English is a must in order to get a good job.
I'm going to give a speaking test. About myself, my name is 𝑩𝒂𝒕𝒄𝒉 𝑺𝒄𝒉𝒆𝒅𝒖𝒍𝒆. I am